A warm welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken gushtaba. Traditionally in Wazwan, gushtaba is made with lamb or goat meat. So today I'll show you how to make chicken gushtaba. It's a mild curry. The base of the curry is yogurt known as yakhni. Yakhni is a very popular dish in Kashmir's cuisine. It's mild, flavorful, and a yogurt lends a mild, tangy taste. Succulent meatballs are infused with a host of Kashmiri mild aromatic flavors, balanced out in thick yogurt-based gravy. So let's get started. For making gushtaba, I have taken around 750 grams of boneless chicken, one and a half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder, half a teaspoon of black cardamom powder, half a teaspoon of black cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, and 2 eggs. Now in a food processor, I have taken chicken and I am adding spices, salt, cinnamon powder, cardamom powders, cumin seeds, and fennel seed powder. Traditionally it's done by pounding on stone, but I'm using food processor. So after a few pulses, you can see it's like this. So I will add eggs now and then grind it again to a fine paste, fine smooth paste. Now here you can see chicken is ready to get shape. It's smooth and soft. I have taken a few glasses of warm water and I'll make balls. You can make balls of any size, whatever you want. So I'm not making big. I'm making this side and dunk them into this warm water. Now all the gushtabas are ready. You can see all the balls are ready. Now I will be adding few spices to it. 2 black cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 4 green cardamoms, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll add this to the water. Now we will bring this to boil. We don't need to keep this broth, we can discard it. Boil it for 5 to 7 minutes on medium to high flame, then turn off the flame and keep them aside. Now moving to second stage, making of yakhni. For making yakhni, I have taken 1 black cardamom, 2 small sticks of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoon of dried mint leaves, 4 green cardamoms, salt 1 teaspoon or according to your taste, yogurt around 750 grams that I'll whisk like this, and oil around half a cup. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm using refined oil. Now in a pan, whisk yogurt on high flame and keep stirring. We don't have to stop stirring or else yogurt will curdle. We will stir continuously till it gets its first boil. So once the yogurt gets its boil, you can take a deep breath. It's saved. Now here you can see yogurt has started to boil. Now I'll be adding spices. I'll add 1 black cardamom, cinnamon stick, salt, and green cardamoms, and let it boil. Now we will add chicken gushtabas to it. And then I'll be adding oil. You don't need to heat up oil. Mix and then add dried mint. Mix and add stock if you have, or else you can add water. I am adding more than half a glass of water. Keep it on high flame till it gets one boil, and then keep it on low flame. Cover and keep it on low flame till it thickens and gushtabas get the taste of yogurt. After around 15 minutes on low flame, the gravy is also thick and our gushtabas are ready. Serve it hot with rice. Gushtabas possess a beautiful melange of mild spices and a hint of tanginess. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.